Alright, so I'm sure that you've heard people saying Vite is way faster than Webpack, but why exactly is it faster? Like, what's actually happening under the hood that makes the difference? So, to understand that, let's first start with Webpack. Webpack's whole design model is based around bundling. So, before your app can run, Webpack scans your entire dependency graph, does a few more things behind the scenes, and eventually produces one or more bundles of JavaScript. So this means that the first startup will be slow because it has to process your entire project before serving anything. And when you edit a file, Webpack still has to rebuild parts of that bundle and push an update to the browser. Even with hot module replacement, there's bundling work happening in the background. Now, Vite takes a completely different approach. So in dev mode, it doesn't bundle your app at all. Instead, it relies on native ES modules that modern browsers support. So when the browser requests your code, Vite serves your source files directly. If the browser encounters an import statement, it just asks the dev server for that file. The only exception that we are left out with is the node modules. So all of the dependencies that we install in a React app or any app, they can be huge, and resolving them file by file would be very, very slow. So what Vite does is it pre-bundles them once using ESBuild. Now ESBuild is super fast because it's written in Go. So once these modules are pre-bundled, they are cached and served instantly. So the result with this implementation is that startup is now almost instant because Vite only processes the files that browser actually requests. Updates also become extremely fast because when you change a file, Vite doesn't touch the entire app. It just reserves that one module and tells the browser to reload it. So in case of Webpack, it's bundle first and then run later. In case of Vite though, it's run first, bundle later only in case of production. Now there's one more question that I assume you would have in your mind. What if I run this Vite dev server on a browser that doesn't support ES modules? Like for instance, Internet Explorer 11. So ES module support has been stable since around 2017 and 2018. And that's primarily why Vite is confidently relying on it in dev mode. But for whatever reason, if you want to run it on Internet Explorer 11, it will not work. It will still work in production because while transpiling, it will handle polyfills. So JavaScript code that does not work in older browsers, these bundlers will transpile them into working code. But in the dev server, it's not going to work.